Hi, just to bring you up to date on the progress of this table. You've seen in other videos the process of working on this base. Now the base was nicely sanded all the way up to 320, 400, and I did put 2 coats of finish on. It's going to get another 3 or 4 coats finish. I like to make sure it has a nice solid finish base. The top that I just laid on top here came out of a slab. You saw me leveling out with some planes. And the top, I'll lift it off. And the top is nicely sanded. I sanded it all the way up to 220. But the base underneath that still has a lot of curves to it, which I like. I'm going to use that to kind of mimic some of the curves that I have on the base. But because it was curved and it would just bounce around up there, I leveled out the spots where it hits the base on the drill press with the bit and the depth setting on the drill press tight down so that I wouldn't go any further than one spot, and I was able to level those out. I'll install T-nuts or figure eights here on these, and then the figure eights will then screw into the top and it will connect the base with the top. I'll take my Arbortech and I'll start to curve a lot of this out away from these spots. But I don't want to make it flat. I do want to make it sculpted. And hopefully I'll get enough curve here that it will marry well with the base and it will look like one nice homogeneous sculpture.